Welcome to JH. Today, I will guide you through the process of purchasing items on Shopee in only 5 minutes. Whether you are an experienced online shopper or a complete beginner, Shopee makes finding and buying products incredibly simple and efficient. Let's explore the seamless steps for shopping on one of Southeast Asia's premier e-commerce platforms. To begin, head over to the Shopee Philippines website. On the homepage, you will find millions of available products. Before you can start shopping, you must sign into your account. Simply click the login button located at the top of the screen. Shopee provides several login methods for your convenience, including the option to sign in with Google. Using Google is particularly fast if you are already logged into your account on your current device. Just select your preferred Google account to move forward. Now that you are logged in, finding specific items is easy. Click on the search bar at the top of the Shopee homepage and type in the item you wish to buy. For example, if you are looking for a guitar cable, enter those keywords into the search field. After hitting enter or clicking the search icon, a wide selection of listings will appear. Take your time to browse the results. Shopee offers various filters and sorting tools to help you find the right match based on price, seller ratings, or shipping location. Once a specific listing catches your eye, click on it to see more information. Shopee provides detailed product descriptions, seller profiles, and customer feedback. It is always a good idea to review these ratings to ensure a reliable transaction. For many items, you may need to select specific variations, such as different lengths or colors. Be sure to choose the correct option that fits your needs before proceeding. When you are ready to purchase, click the Buy Now button if you want to check out immediately. Alternatively, if you want to keep looking for more items, you can add the product to your cart and continue browsing. To finalize your purchase, navigate to your cart by clicking the icon at the top and then select Checkout. On this screen, you will review your order details, pick a shipping service, and select your preferred payment method. Shopee supports many options, including cash on delivery, Shopee Pay, credit or debit cards, and bank transfers, offering flexibility for every user. After confirming that all the information is correct, click Place Order. You will receive a confirmation message, and that is all there is to it. You have successfully completed a purchase on Shopee. Keep an eye on your email or the Shopee app for real-time updates regarding your order status and delivery. Shopping on Shopee is truly that straightforward. With just a few clicks, you can compare prices and buy items securely. Do not forget to look for active promotions or discount vouchers to maximize your savings. Happy shopping, and I hope this guide makes your next Shopee experience even better.